Do you know how much a full stack developer earns? A full stack developer's salary in India for a fresher is 5 lakhs per annum. A full stack developer with early level experience like 1 to 4 years earns a standard of 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs annually. If we take the same with an experience of 5 to 9 years, you can easily secure a salary of 20 to 30 lakh rupees in India. Are you wondering what is full stack development? Let's understand each and everything what is full stack development and what all technologies you can learn to become a full stack developer. I will explain in this particular video. Make sure to stay till end to understand completely. Hello everyone, I'm Akash Kulkarni, founder and CEO of Network Academy. Full stack development refers to development of both front end, which is client side, and backend, which is server side portion of the web application. Now, what is a web application? Any application you take it, Facebook, Google, Instagram, whatever you see on the screen, that is called front end. Whatever operations are happening, that is in the backend. All the data transactions that is happening, that will be a middleware. So a full stack development refers to three parts, that is front end, middleware and backend. Now let's understand each of them specifically. Front end is the visible part of the web application, which is responsible for all the user experience. The user directly interacts with the front end portion of the web applications or website. For example, the video that you are watching on YouTube currently, all the description, everything, this is the front end. To design this front end, we need different languages. Now let's discuss about the languages that are required to develop this front end part. The first and the foremost important part is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design the front end portion of the web pages using markup language. HTML is the combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. The markup language is used to define the text documentation within tag, which defines the structure of web pages. Second one is CSS, that is Cascading Style Sheets, fondly referred to as CSS. CSS is a simply designed language intended to simplify the process of making a web page presentable. Obviously, you will see only those web pages which are presentable. If it is messy or if it is not understandable, would you ever stay? Obviously no, right? CSS allows you to apply styles to web pages. More importantly, CSS enables you to do this independent of HTML that makes up each web page. The next one is JavaScript. It is famous scripting language used to create magic on the sites to make the site interactive for the user. It is used to enhance the functionality of a website, to running a cool games and even web-based. Now coming to the backend development or backend side of an application. It refers to the server-side development of web application or a website with a primary focus on how the website should actually work. It is responsible for managing the database through enquiries and APIs by the client-side command. This type of website mainly consists of three parts: front-end, backend and DB, that is database. Now let's look at the backend part and some libraries, framework and languages that are used to develop backend of an application. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed specifically for web applications. Since PHP code executed on server side, so it is called server-side scripting language. C++. It is a general purpose programming language and widely used nowadays for competitive programming. It is also used as backend language. Java. Java is one of the most popular and widely used programming language and platform. It is highly scalable. Java components are easily available as a free source. Python. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more efficient way and integrate the systems in a more efficient manner. JavaScript. Again, JavaScript can be used for both backend as well as front-end programming language. Under JavaScript, we have Node.js. It is an open source and cross-platform runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside of a web browser. You need to remember that Node.js is not a framework and it is not a programming language. Most of the people are confused and understand it's a framework or a programming language. We often use Node.js for building backend services like APIs, web app or even mobile app. It is used in production by large companies such as PayPal, Uber, Netflix, Walmart and the name goes on. Coming to the third and most important part, that is middleware. Middleware is a software which lies between an operating system and the application running on it. Especially functioning as hidden translation layer, middleware enables communication and data management for distributed applications. It is sometimes called as plumbing, as it connects two applications together so data and databases can easily be passed between the pipe. Using middleware allows the user to perform such requests as submitting a form on a web browser or allowing the web server to return dynamic web pages based on user profile. Common middleware examples include database middleware, application server middleware, message-oriented middleware, and so on. Each program typically provides messaging services so that different applications can communicate using messaging frameworks like Simple Object Access Protocol, that is SOAP, web services, representational state transfer, that is REST, and JSON, that is JavaScript Object Notation. Best middleware programming languages that you can learn are MongoDB, MySQL, and different other languages. I hope this particular video has given you a brief idea about what is full stack development. If you feel like I have missed something, put them in the comment box. Or if you think I have covered and you have understood everything, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it. See you all in the next video. Take care.